Okay, I haven't got parts yet, but we're gonna show you how to take this thing apart. First thing you gotta do is it's a chain drive, so we have to disconnect the chain. So the way to do that is there's an adjuster here at the end of the chain. I already started unloosening it. You guys gotta pretty much loosen that off as far as it'll go. That gives you enough slack in the chain to get it off the gear, which is on top of that motor up there. Of course, it's faster with two hands, but if I was using two hands, you wouldn't see. That might be enough. You can see the chain starting to hang here. What I did is I just loosened this side. This one here, I don't want to touch that. That's pretty much where I want to adjust it back. I may adjust it a little different. It obviously hasn't been adjusted for a while. Everything's wore out, so that chain might have stretched, but either way, that's a good starting point for me to get back to where that chain tension should be for the garage door opener. Okay, that's probably enough. I got plenty of slack there. So I'm just gonna slide my workbench back over. I'll show you how this. So these bolts, the other bolts that took the cover off were a 1/4 inch bolt. These ones here are 5/16. So you can see the one here. Which will take that out. And then there's one up here, up in behind the wires there. I don't know if you can see up in there. Right there it is. We'll take that one out. Okay, I just about got this one out here. Okay, there's that one. I'm just putting them up on top of the motor, just then they're there when I go for it. This gear, I actually already took that off. I'll show you how that comes off, just to make sure I've made everything clear. So this is the gear that goes on there. Okay, so that gear went up on there like this. It spins into place, and then it just has this little locking mechanism. I don't know if you can see that, get the camera to. So what that does is just goes through the hole and it pushes on there to lock on. So all you got to do is spread these two sides. You see the little teeth hanging out there? You spread those out a little bit, pop it out, that pin comes out of there.